Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Work from home income opportunities. Over the years, the history of human race has replaced many significant changes in a continuous quest of improving lifestyle. Past few years have characterized by such change in every aspect of society. Currently, many new innovation and improvised technologies are altering the world forever. And perhaps the most significant contribution by advanced technology has come from internet. Gone are the traditional ways of earning income. There has been a rise in home-based business income opportunities emerging from this new global sphere. If we have a closer look at a recorded history, then it has been a conventional trend that people who wish to work for a salary are compelled to work at the location of client or of company they are working for. Although the concept of self-employment had been present in past, it wasn't until the 90s when internet came of age and presented the first opportunities and platforms for people to work from home while having access to the world through their personal computers. Home business. Home business is an ideal platform which allows people to work from home and get paid handsomely for the efforts they put in. With these ever increasing opportunities, the people like you and me are able to work according to our own terms. There is no more compulsion from our rude boss to work as per the stated terms and conditions. In fact, home business offers a freedom that no other business can offer. There are plenty of options and opportunities knocking your door on internet. You can easily find a plan for home business that can fit your needs and talents. Even though serving on internet for such home-based business income opportunities can be time-consuming. You will come across thousands of sites and places which claim to be perfect option on internet. They claim to know exactly what you are searching for, and there is possibility that you can commit blunders because of their exaggerated claims. It's quite obvious that the sites claiming to offer best plan do not know your personality. They do not know your likes and dislikes. They don't know about your passion. They don't know about their get short term or long term. They don't know your expectancy level of income, and they don't know how much time you can work for. The lack of this knowledge can pose a great threat to your search for such opportunities. So, in order to find a perfect suitable plan or opportunities, you have to do some kinds of research and find opportunities of your own. You can even search for the research opportunities with their supported statistics. This thing can narrow down your search for the best home-based opportunity. The best part while searching for such business can be considering your own hobbies, your own likes. Just ask yourself, how do you spend your idle time? There are so many hobbies like book reading, ornamental fish keeping, shopping, watching sports, keeping pets, or even finding a good deal. Surely you will be much more comfortable at one of those hobbies. So, if you find a niche nice that relate to. Sometimes you are born to stick with the opportunities for a longer time. You spend you spend time building it work for you and will be the secret of the success of your home business. Today, there are plenty options and several successful platforms available for home-based internet business opportunities. 1. Digital product creation. You will be certainly good at one of the aspects or field you have learned so far in life. If you have such a special knowledge or skill in a specific sector, then you can sell this by creating your own book. Suppose you are good at cooking, and if it's your hobby, and if you do experimentation and try for innovation, then you can create your own ebook and 10,000 recipes. This field can range from learning yoga to playing guitar, and from purchasing the free airline ticket to moving or digital recording. In short, there are abundant opportunities present on internet for home-based business. If you are motivated enough to reap the benefits of internet, then brace yourself for a certain amount of work. Prepare your mind to learn new things, and you will find it's not as difficult as many think. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe.